What is that? So I have been waiting for today for like the past 3 weeks. I've been sick the past like 4 days, so I sound very like mannish. I've been waiting for today because about 3 weeks ago my brother bought some shoes and they gave him like $25 off coupon for Vans if you spend $65 or more. And he gave it to me, and I already have like 14 pairs of shoes. But looked online right away, right when he gave me the coupon, and it said for the 14th. So I was like, by the 14th, I need to know what I want. I looked online and I like was looking at different shoes to see which ones I would want to buy. And I found some really cool ones. And went to the mall one day and I checked to see if they had them. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna come back on the 14th to get these shoes. So today's the 14th. I went back and I got the shoes. I got these really cute platform Vans. The laces are so cool. They're like really fuzzy and they have the gold. What are these things called? But they're really cute. They're really comfy. I like them because they're like a platform. Apparently, I didn't know, they're all-weather shoes. So they're water resistant. Well, not water resistant, but like you can wear them when it's raining and they won't mess up. I had seen some pink ones originally, and then I saw these white ones and I was like, I'd rather wear the white ones. And I like these too because about 6 months ago or less than that, Dr. Martens partnered, or they did a collab with this brand called Lazy Oaf, and they had released some really cool like Doc Martens, and they had black ones and pink ones, and I really wanted the black ones, but it was like a limited thing, and so they sold out right away. And anywhere that I try to find the shoes now, they're like $300 when originally they were like less than $200. They're like $150. So I'm not gonna pay double for some shoes. And these reminded me of those, so that's why I wanted to get these too, because they're like a more affordable version of those. So today we're supposed to go to some restaurant in Long Beach, because tomorrow is Michael's birthday. So we're gonna go celebrate his birthday today. So we're gonna be in Long Beach. There's all these like sodas. John Lemonade. What's the one that you pointed at?
Dragon Jewel, Green Cooler.
They have like Tahoe.
Buffalo Wild Wing Soda.
They have chocolate soda, maple syrup soda,
Pimple Pop.
buffalo wing soda. They have Kiss soda. What the heck?
Pimple Pop.
Ew, that's disgusting. It even says gross on the bottle.
Gross gusses.
Ew. Like a whole wall of just random sodas. They even have a Snooki one.
The Yodeling Kid, Tyler the Kid.
Sarsaparilla.
Surgery was a success.
One right foot and one right hand.
Finally.
Oh my.
I could type faster. That thing is small.
Motherfucker, back up. You're too late. He's got to move.
Michael's crying. I almost made a new friend.
It hurts.
Evil.
Oh, you got it? Yeah. Sick. How was your support? Let's go. Let's go for it.
Hey, motherfucker.
Oh my god. You guys are stupid.
Yeah, they went for a ride.
You guys are so stupid. What the heck was that?
He's grabbing out to those long pass for life.
Dumb and Dumber.
That shit goes so fast. Wow, my eyes got watery.
I thought you were slipping. I was like, oh shit. Oh well.
6'9" socks.
Ew. What is that? Oh my god. You turn.
It's almost done. Bone apple teeth.
I am an actual idiot. I just went to go get my car washed. And I came to Starbucks and I was like, alright, I'm gonna go into the drive-thru because I'm too lazy to get out. Why does this happen? So right now I'm laying down and I'm gonna watch Good Mythical Morning. But random fact to end this video. Did you know that Disneyland admission when it first opened was only $3.50? Now it's $99 plus the $20 parking. And even at like $99, it still gets crowded. Like they have days where it's like overpopulated that they won't even let people in. Like that was always my biggest fear when having the pass, that like we were gonna go one day and that it was gonna be like overcrowded and they were gonna be like, sorry, we're not letting people in. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week.
Way back home to you.